Now, what is a joint family, students? Now, let me explain what is a joint family. A joint family consists of two or more families in blood relation living together. Now, see, this is a joint family. In this, see, mummy, daddy, grandparents, children, uncle, auntie, mama, mommy, means from the mother's side also they are staying, and from the father's side, all staying together and with the grandparents. Joint family may consist of uncle and aunts and their children. Now uncle, auntie is also there, their children are also there, and living together in a family. Uncle, aunt and their children living together in a family. It may also accompany grandparents. Now grandparents also there, uncle, auntie, their children. Joint families are big families as they consist of large number of family members. Now joint family is a big family and they consist of large number of family members. Members living together with their children. Now uncle, auntie is also staying with their children. So it is called joint family. Dada, dadi is also staying. Uncle, auntie is also staying with their children. Mama, mami, they also staying with their children. So it is called a joint family. Now the members of my father's family are called the in-laws of my mother, and the members of my mother's family are called the in-laws of my father. Now let's see what is resemblance. Now what is the meaning of resemblance? The members of a family are similar to each other in various ways. Means resemblance means something is similar, एक जैसा मिलता है, similar habits. They have some similar features and also have some similar habits. This is called family resemblance. Resemblance means your brother and sister. You have a brother or you have a sister at home. Now your brother or your sister, your resemble means एक जैसा दिखने का, या तो कोई दूसरा कोई आदत जो है तुम लोग का भाई बहन का एक जैसा मिलता है. मतलब your brother or your sister, he looks like you, little bit he looks like you, or he has the same habit, means whatever you like even he likes. Color of the dress or food eating habits or looking same like face. So that is called resemblance. Similar. Siblings often look similar to each other or to their parents or grandparents. Siblings means your brother or sister. They look like they similar to each other, or they are similar to your parents or grandparents. That is called similarities. Now similarities won't be with your friends. It will be always with your siblings. Similarities will be always with your brother or sister. It won't match with your friends. Similarities can be seen in terms of eyes, hair color or habits. These similarities pass from the parents to their children. Now these similarities from where they pass, it comes from your parents or your grandparents. Two children born almost at the same time to the same parents are called twins. Twins are mostly identical and resemble each other almost completely. Now what are twins? What is the meaning of twins? Means twins are भाई बहन एक ही टाइम पे जो born होते हैं, एक ही टाइम पे एक ही पेरेंट्स को ऑलमोस्ट बॉर्न होते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड ट्विंस एंड दे रिजेंबल ईच अदर ऑलमोस्ट कम्प्लीटली. रिजेंबल मीन्स उनका हर चीज़ सिमिलर हो जाता है. देयर वे ऑफ टॉकिंग, दिखने का, कलर, फूड, एवरीथिंग दे मैच. इट रिजेंबल्स ईच अदर ऑलमोस्ट completely. So they are called twins and they are born also at the same time, same date, like that it is. So they are called twins.